People always said I had my head in the clouds. They'd say it like it was a bad thing. But it's good to wonder. To wonder what you're capable of. Wonder if what makes you you can make you useful, successful. My head is still in the clouds today, exploring how things work, why things work, how people work, discovering connections, pathways, options, opportunities. So if they say you're a daydreamer, dreaming about the future, your future, tell them to look up. Because for us dreamers, the clouds are calling. Elevate Aviation Learning Center.